California is just days from announcing it is dropping all of its mask and social distancing requirements for fully vaccinated people. But turning the page on the coronavirus comes with risks. Example, 2 vaccinated passengers on a cruise ship tested positive for COVID. It comes as 52% of the country has received at least 1 dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, and 43% of adults in the U.S. are now fully vaccinated. Michael George is here with the latest. Michael, good morning.
Good morning, Jeff. As masks come off and many places reopen, there are reminders that the world is still in a pandemic and the signs of risk keep resurfacing.
Aboard the Celebrity Millennium, 2 passengers tested positive, causing a ship-wide safety check. The cruise company, which requires proof of vaccinations, told CBS News this demonstrates that our rigorous health and safety protocols work. The CDC recommends 95% of crew and passengers be vaccinated. But on shore, people are still getting sick. Variants are looming.
One of the things that COVID has proven, it's really good at curveballs. And so we hear about this new Delta variant that is now surging through the UK and beginning to come into the US. The good news about it is when you're fully vaccinated, you appear to be fully protected against that.
Each vaccination has become a victory. This one, yesterday in New Jersey, was celebrated.
Patrick, you did it.
Also in San Francisco this week, with 80% of eligible residents now vaccinated. That's above the president's 70% vaccinated July 4th goal that many state governors are championing.
That means we have approximately 93,000 Oregonians left to vaccinate to hit our 70% goal.
Lotteries in California, beer in Minnesota.
And to remind folks that not only is the beer is free, the vaccine is free wherever you take it.
Are part of the push, but vaccine hesitancy in Oklahoma is not helping.
There has been an anti-vaccine movement, and it's actually quite strong here in Oklahoma, unfortunately.
Oklahoma ranks near the bottom. Just 54% of adults have had at least 1 dose. Nationwide, it's 64%.
We do need to race against the risk of a resurgence. We need to get that number as high as we can before the fall so we don't have a reemergence of COVID.
And another concern was raised yesterday. New data shows there have been at least 226 cases of heart inflammation in people aged 30 and younger who received a Pfizer or Moderna vaccine. The CDC will hold an emergency meeting of advisors next week to discuss the possibility of a new and extremely rare side effect of COVID vaccines for young people. Dana?
Michael, thank you.